Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Sign into your Google account and enable Wi-Fi or mobile data so the store can load. Once done, verify device storage. Apps need space to download and unpack, so clear cache or files if low. Next, open the Play Store app and tap the search bar to find the app you want. This first step saves time and prevents download failures. It gets you directly into the store interface ready to pick an app. You search with specific keywords or the exact app name because precise terms surface the correct result faster. Make sure to check the developer name and user rating to avoid lookalikes. Once you tap the app, review the permissions and tap Install for free apps or the price button for paid ones. You may need to confirm payment method. While downloading, watch the notification bar so you know progress. Keeping the network active avoids interrupted or corrupted downloads, which is why you should not toggle airplane mode. You open the app and complete any first-time setup like signing in or allowing runtime permissions so features work correctly. Once the app is running, make sure Auto Update is enabled in Play Store settings to receive fixes and security patches automatically. This reduces future manual maintenance. If installation or updates fail, try clearing the Play Store cache, restarting your device, then retrying the download. These steps resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.